The annual rally of the Leeds and District Traction Engine Club is held in the pleasant parkland ground of Harewood House, not far from the bustling centre of Leeds, birthplace of many of the magnificent engines that have worked the length and breadth of the British Isles, and indeed the world. There is an excitement in the sight of the whirling flywheel and the pull and push of the conrod that captures both young and old alike. The smell of steam and oil evokes memories of fairground days to the elder of us, and is something new and unusual to the younger generation. One of the oldest engines parading here is a Marshall built in 1900. This tractor spent 45 years driving threshing machines for the farmers of Yorkshire. The tremendous lifespan of these giant machines is a great tribute to the engineers who built them. During the day, exhibitions of driving skill are given to allow the owners an opportunity of showing their prowess on their various machines. The ladies too are allowed to take a hand at the wheel, sometimes with surprising results. For those enthusiasts whose bank balance cannot stand the strain of £2,000 or more for a showman's engine, modelling is a very satisfactory substitute. These models have a fascination all of their own and are capable of producing power out of keeping with their size. The rally incorporates the British Fairground Society, whose splendid machines conjure up memories of wide-eyed wonder and delight. As with so many of the machines on show here, steam is the sole source of power. No fairground is complete without music, and the modern record player compares poorly with the craftsman-built organs of long ago. Built with a pride rarely visible in present-day equipment, these organs cannot fail to please the eye and ear. As the day draws to a close and the visitors throng home, taking with them their nostalgic memories of these giants of yesteryear, the blare of the organs and the hiss of steam can still be heard through the dusk across the meadows, as though the engines themselves, seemingly with souls of their own, are toiling happily on, unaware of their obsolescence, and that they are now like ghosts, only part of a bygone age.